Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.
Hey Yash, I'm so grateful. I don't know how to put it in words. So I just want to thank you for showing me the spiritual side of India and getting with me through cold and rain and everything. I hope we will meet soon again. You're a nice guy. Thank you again. Bye.
This is the Devprayag Sangam. The river coming from there. You can see the color of that river is darker. The river on the left hand side, it's more greenish. Beautiful. I think this route leads to the it reaches to you. उस पुल तक जाएगा, उस पुल से वहाँ से नीचे आके I made a friend now. His name is Thamar. He was heading to Kedarnath on a bullet, maybe a hired bullet, and he just asked me how far Kedarnath is now. So I told him Kedarnath trek is closed for now. You should better go to Tungnath Mahadev. And I kind of showed him the pictures and the routes over the map. And he will be joining me on this trek now. We'll be going together now. So I asked him to take a halt for 15 minutes at Devprayag, take blessings from the river, and then proceed towards our major plan. So he's coming with me, he's just behind me. Very beautiful road. I so much love climbing down this mountain. I feel better. I feel more confident because I do have a friend now. So this is the kind of friendship which I can go for. This one. So awesome. ये नीचे रिवर को जा रही है, नीचे गंगा को जा रही है. थैंक यू जी. गंगा, आई डोंट थिंक वी कॉल इट गंगा नाउ. गंगा तो यहाँ पे बनती है. इट्स ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड अलकनंदा. So I keep forgetting the names of river of these confluences. There are, you can say, confluences named Devprayag, Nandaprayag, Karnaprayag, Rudraprayag. So all these prayags, all these confluences, they have multiple rivers merging together, and I keep forgetting the names. Oh, fish. This is so awesome. They've made a route till so down till the river. Oh, रोड यहीं ख़त्म हो गई. हाँ, इतना काफ़ी है वैसे. This is sand. It's difficult to park over here. It's sand. No, I think you have double stand. Mine is one, and it is too deep. The sand is too deep. Park it over here, we'll just go. Sure. Oh shit. Look at this place. I think यहाँ पे इतनी सैंड आई होगी जब पानी बढ़ता है तो रिवर यहाँ तक आती है. जब पानी कम होता है तो सैंड रह जाती है, पानी नीचे चला जाता है. ओके, दिस इज कवर्ड क्योंकि इट इज़ वेरी डीप ओवर है. Look at this. The power. I thought this is the place where we can touch the river, but it's I think few minutes away from here. This noise of river, that's all I want to hear all day long. This is the city Devprayag. We'll trek down this part. Can we take bikes over here? Okay, from Delhi you took a flight to Dehradun and then you're here. So is it specifically for Kedarnath?
No, just wanted to see something.
Okay.
From Germany, I've been here.
You're from Germany.
Already.
Okay. What all places have you covered?
Pune,
Uh-huh.
Mumbai. Yeah.
Pune, Goa, Mumbai and Delhi. Spend more time towards the mountains, Himalayas.
Yeah, I like it.
Road till Dehradun is very fine, but I didn't have to reach Dehradun. It's
On our road, right?
it's Haridwar is the place.
I slept in
Rishikesh, We can surely climb this. Let's try.
That's where they measure the height, right?
Yeah.
Where's this corner we saw, right?
Pardon?
Where's the corner we saw?
This is a confluence of two rivers. It is so the Ganga originates from here.
Ah, okay.
Ganga originates from here. The two river which the confluences of Mandakini and Alaknanda. Sorry, Brahmaputri and Alaknanda are the two rivers. This is yet again not that place.
Not? Go back?
Should we?
I don't know. Maybe.
We'll check. Ha.
Try to be. Okay. I got it.
There's a small stone where we can sit. Yeah, these are actually to measure the. Yeah. That place looks better. Yes, and I think there's a place over here also.
Either way. Well, I think this one is better.
This one is better. Yeah, we have more water.
You're safe here from the.
Yeah, the flow. But this one is difficult to climb down and climb up. Om Namah Shivaya. Not much. How? Om Namah Shivaya. But it is slippery, and we don't know how deep that portion is. Wanna join me?
I think I will.
Come here.
No, stay there. I get it.
Now I feel the cold. Once my waist is in, I feel the cold. So when I went to Kedarnath, so I crossed this place from the highway
Yeah.
up there, but I didn't got an opportunity to come here and take a dip then.
It's nice.
It will make you numb in a minute or so, then you don't feel cold.
Ah, okay.
This one is coming from Kedarnath, that one is coming from Badrinath or Gangotri. So that is why Ganga is the holiest river, because it includes the water coming from 7 to 8 rivers, 7 to 8, and all these rivers are coming from
Holy place.
the holy places of Shiva.
Yeah.
Just let me go whenever you're ready to leave.
I'm ready when you're ready.
Just that once the sun is gone, it would be difficult to ride over there.
Yeah.
It will take 4 hours more.
When is the sun going down? You know that?
It must be at 6:30.
Okay, it's 2:40.
2:40.